Alright, time to show you how to get it done. Take your tickle stick and first tickle the lobster out of the hole. Do that by bouncing the stick up and down against the rocks. Once he comes crawling out, game on. Use your snare to go behind his tail and over his body. Once you're able to get the loop around the lobster, use the handle of the snare to pull tight. Just like that. Keep on watching the video and I'll show you a couple more times of how to do it. Don't forget to measure your lobster to make sure they're big enough. Happy hunting.
It's close, so we're going to let him go.
Alright. Lobster lives. Oh yeah. We got dinner.
So we came to the sandbar and we decided to bring some lobster gear with. And well, it paid off. A couple nice lobsters. A couple lobsters for dinner. So I got an ice brine going right here in the cooler. Only one person left at the sandbar. One in the sailboater. Epic sunset. Here we go.